All right, guys, here we go. This is the second shakedown of the C32. I threw a GPS in her just for shits and giggles. She was running 42 miles an hour yesterday at about 3/4 throttle, I would say. She was running super dry yesterday, so. A little better. A little better. I moved the CG. Full throttle. Water cooling. Running super dry still. And stable as hell, boys. Wow. Oh, she turns, boys. She turns, boys. We'll bring her in right now. We got our handy dandy temp gun today, and I keep breaking this freaking thing every time I move my hand over the boat. I'm not used to having a antenna mount, believe it or not. I run my boats without an antenna mount. Hey, no smoke. Holy crap. Huh. I think, tell you what, boys, I think my motor mount is, there's a lot of flex in these motor mounts. You see that? I'm not happy with these motor mounts. I think I'm gonna swap the motor mount out. This has got to cool down, and I don't have any bottles of water to cool it down here, so we'll let her chill. Damn, boys, we're hot. Yeah, we're hot. 130, 118 on the ESC, 144 on the capacitors. Yeah, we're like whoo-wee at the limit, and we're running a 4214 stainless prop, so it's not that aggressive, guys, but we'll let her chill. All right, so there's the comparison right there. I didn't run this one as long. I'm not happy with these temps, but I can already see that that motor mount might be out of alignment a hair. You got to be super precise with these motor mounts. This one right here, you got to be precise on the center, but on the angle you can play with it a little bit. You have a little bit of room here. Wherever it is where it is, and if you set it wrong, or if it moves, or if it torques over a little bit, and you're heating up this stuffing tube over here, you're gonna burn your motor real quick, fast, and in a hurry. You know what I'm saying? So we'll throw in another battery in this one. We'll run this one for a minute, check the temps again, but I think this one has been remedied. This one right here, I think I'm gonna have to swap that motor mount tonight. I'll check at home and see if I have another one of these, but we'll take it from there, boys. Stick around.